Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 Excel chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. Basically this is the second chapter of word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, midterm, simulation exam, simulation training or your final exams, then you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your complete courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. You can reach me out through WhatsApp or email and I will produce A grade for you throughout your degree program. So now let's start with the assignment. So at start of the instruction you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in this project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will go through this project description, you will get an idea about the assignment and this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So I suggest you to read this project description. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is project steps or steps to perform to complete this project. These are the 19 steps or 19 questions that we are supposed to solve in this assignment. I will solve them step by step and you are simply supposed to follow me if you want to get this assignment done for you. So now let's start doing with step number 1 or question number 1. Question number 1 is start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word chapter 2 Cumulative Pools. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So step number 1 is saying we are supposed to download this Word document, Cumulative Pools. This is the document that we are going to use to solve this assignment. We will apply all the instructions and all the steps to this Word document and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So step number 1 is just about downloading of this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. Okay, let's move to step number 2. Ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. Select crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph and bold it. So first we are supposed to go to Word document, then go to Home tab, then in paragraph section you can see this non-printing characters button. So click on that to show the non-printing characters. So now we are supposed to select this crystal clear perfection at the end of the first body paragraph. You can see crystal clear perfection. Then go to the Home tab and bold this one. Okay. Now select all the text and change the font to Arial with the font size of 12. Change the alignment of selected text to justify. So now select all the text, go to font and from here select Arial. Okay. After selecting Arial we are supposed to change the font size to 12 and justify the text. So go to paragraph, in alignment you can see these alignment options and we are supposed to justify this. So click on justify. So that is all about step number 2 of this assignment. So we are done with second step. So now let's do step number 3. Select the first 2 body paragraph and adjust the line spacing to 1.5. So now we are supposed to select the first 2 body paragraph and we are supposed to adjust the line spacing to 1.5. ensure that the paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraphs. Apply a first line indent for the two paragraphs of 0.5 inches. So select first two body paragraph. These are the two first body paragraph. Then we are supposed to change the line spacing to 1.5. So from here you can see, go to home tab, in paragraph go to line spacing and select 1.5. Okay. Then we are supposed to remove the spacing before and after these two body paragraph. So go to home tab, in paragraph click this arrow. Now you can see the spacing before should be 0 and the spacing after should be 0 as well. Okay. So spacing before this paragraph and after this paragraph should be 0. Okay. Now we are supposed to apply a first line indent of 0.5 inches. Again go to paragraph setting and here in spatial select first line, select this one and here 0.5. We are supposed to apply a first line indent of 0.5 to these two paragraphs. So I will select first line indent and 0.5 and click OK. So we have applied a first line indent of 0.5 to these two body paragraphs. Okay. So that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So we have completed third step as well. Now let's do step number 4. Select all subheadings that are formatted in bold and change the font size to 14. So this is formatted as bold. Select this one, press and hold the control button, then select this heading as well. Then again press and hold the control button, select this heading. Then again press and hold the control button and select this heading. Then press and hold the control button and select this heading. Press and hold the control button, select this heading. Press and hold the control button and select this heading. So we have selected all the headings that are formatted as bold. Okay. So after selecting all these headings that are formatted as bold, we are supposed to change the font size to 14 points. Okay. From here we will select the 14 point font size. Okay. Then click anywhere in the document to unselect these headings. Okay. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to change the font size for the heading that are formatted as bold to 14 points. So I have changed the heading font size to 14 points. Now let's do step number 5. Select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading. So now it is saying select the 4 paragraph that precede the get rid of debris heading. These are the 4 body paragraph. Beginning with check the pool water balance and ending with add an alley. Okay. So these are the 4 paragraphs that I have already selected, that is telling about. Noticing add a box double line border with 3/4 line width and color of blue gray text 2. Shade the border area with the blue gray text 2 letter 60%. So now we are supposed to apply a border to these 4 body paragraph. So this should be a box border, double line, 3/4 width and color of blue gray text 2. So now go to home tab. Now in paragraph you can see borders. Then click on borders and shading. So now we are supposed to select box because we are supposed to apply a box border. Then double line, this one. Style should be double line. Color should be blue gray text 2. Blue gray text 2 should be the color and line weight should be 3/4. Because all of these mentioned in the instruction, text 2, blue gray text 2 is the color, 3/4 line width and double line border. Then shading should be blue gray text 2 lighter 60%. Then go to the shading and from here apply blue gray text to letter 60%. Okay, click OK. So now you can see that we have applied a box border to these 4 paragraphs with blue gray text to border color, 3 or 4 line width, and the shading of blue gray text to lighter 60%. So that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps of this assignment so far, and now we gonna do next step of this assignment, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is saying ensure that ruler is shown. Place the insertion point at the top of the document and press enter once. So go to view tab, and here my ruler checkbox is checked. If your ruler checkbox is not checked, just check this one. Okay, now you can see the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler as well. Now place the insertion point at top of the document and press enter once. Well, now we have inserted a new body paragraph at the beginning of the document. Okay, noticing click before the first newly inserted blank paragraph at the top. Drag the first line indent on the ruler back to the left margin to remove the first line indent from the blank paragraph. Set a left tab at 1 and a right tab at 5. Okay, ensure the right tab includes a dashed ladder. So now you can see that this newly inserted body paragraph has a first line indent. So we can simply remove this first line indent either dragging the ruler to the left, or other way is easily way, just go to paragraph setting by clicking this arrow, and from here remove the first line indent and make this to none and click OK. So we have removed the first line indent. So now we are supposed to create the tabs. Okay, first, okay, now it is saying set a tab, left tab at 1, right tab at 5, and we are supposed to make sure that right tab should have a dash ladder, that is option 3. Okay, now again to paragraph setting by clicking this arrow, then go to tabs. Now we will type 1, and from here we will select alignment should be left and click set. So now we have set the left indent at 1. Now we are supposed to set a right tab at 5, so we will type 5, and from this option we will select right. In alignment we will select right, and we are supposed to include a dash ladder, option 3. So select this one and click set. Click OK. So now we have set the left and right tab at 1 and 5. Okay, and that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to include and where we are supposed to insert a new paragraph. Then we were supposed to remove the first line indent, then we were supposed to set the left and right indent. Okay, tabs. Okay, now let's do step number 7. Press tab and enter your pool. Again press tab and enter your way. So we will go here and we will first press the tab and we will type your pool. Your pool. Okay, again press the tab and type your way. Okay, so first we were supposed to type your pool, then we were supposed to type your way. Okay, change the font size for your pool and your way to Lucida calligraphy. Bold both text items on the tabled line and change the font size to 10. So select these two and go to the font style, and from here we are supposed to select this style, that is Lucida calligraphy. So select this style. Okay, now change the font size to 10 and bold these two. Okay, so we were supposed to change the font style to the Lucida calligraphy, then we were supposed to apply bold to these two texts, then we were supposed to change the font size to 10. So that is all about step number 7 of this assignment. So we have completed 7 steps. Now let's do step number 8. Position the insertion point before the second sentence in the second to last body paragraph. The sentence begin with add more in hot water. Here we are supposed to position the insertion point here, add more in hot water. Okay, now it is saying the sentence begin. Okay, delete the preceding space and period that ends the first sentence. We are supposed to delete this space and also the period. Okay, now insert an EM dash symbol and change the case of add to add. So now first go to insert tab and here go to symbol and from here click more symbols. Okay, then go to special and from here we are supposed to insert EM dash. So select this option and click insert and close this one. So now we have inserted an EM dash. Okay, now make this capital A to small. Okay, and that is all about step number 8. So now let's do step number 9. Select the 4 paragraph in the shaded area near the top of page 1. Apply the numbering choosing the format 1, 2, 3. So we will go to the top of the document and we will select the 4 paragraph in the shaded area, these one, and we are supposed to apply numbering to this. So go to the home tab. So in paragraph you can see the numbering here and we are supposed to apply the numbering to these 4 paragraphs 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is all about step number 9 of this assignment where we were supposed to apply numbering to this. And I have applied numbering to this. So I have solved 9 steps for you in this video. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me to do this complete assignment for you or to do this complete course for you. I will solve all of your Word, PowerPoint, Access or Excel assignments, simulation exams or training, midterm or final exam, and I will produce A grade for you in your course. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video.